Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the K-Beauty Edit Box by Boots. This box comes with 9 products that are all based on K-Beauty skincare. The first product is the Round Lab 1025 Doc 2 Cleanser. I believe I'm saying that right. This is a full size. I've never tried this. It's a cleansing bubble foam, which should be quite nice to get the first layer of any makeup or sunscreen off. I believe you could even double cleanse with this. I'm not sure if it would get everything off, but I feel like this would be a good first cleanse. Next up, we have a moisturizer by Isntree. It's the hyaluronic acid moist cream. I know people are going to hate me for saying that, but yeah, moist cream. This is a full size, and I believe it's just basic hyaluronic acid cream. I would probably love this and leave a review for you soon because I tend to go through these quite quickly. I've never tried this one, but I'm looking forward to it. This box also comes with a lip balm, which is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Berry. This is 10 grams, so I believe that's the full size. I enjoy their lip balms usually, so I imagine I will get on with this. Next up is a mini of the Mixun Bean Cleansing Oil. I'm not sure you can see the bottle, but this is the box. I have never heard of this before, if I'm being completely honest. I may or may not like this. Sometimes Korean oils I like, some I don't. They're kind of a hit and miss for me, so I will be leaving a review on this very, very soon. Keep an eye on my Instagram. Next up is a full size of the Beauty by Joseon. I think I'm getting closer to saying it right. This is the full size of the Sun Relief and Probiotics SPF 50. This is my favourite SPF, and I'm so glad to have a full size. I've had so many minis in various boxes, but to finally have my hands on a full size is amazing. And I can't wait to get through this and probably buy a new one in the summertime. So really happy about this being in the box. This box also comes with 2 products from Haru Wonder, which is the Black Rice Eye Cream. I've never tried their eye creams. I'm currently using their SPF, which I'm really enjoying. I don't like the smell of their formula, but it is a really nice SPF. This is the eye cream. I believe it's the full size, 20 ml. I'm going by the size of it by my hand. I would say it's the full size. This is vegan, if I have any vegans watching. I'm hoping to enjoy this. I tend to be kind of iffy with eye creams. Some tend to break me out because they're a bit too potent, but I'm hoping this one will be really nice on my skin. Secondly, from the same line of Haru Wonder, we have the Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. So it's from the exact same line. I feel like this is going to be a good one, and I again can't wait to try it. I tend to go through toners very quickly because they're my favourite product in my skincare routine, and I'm really looking forward to reviewing this one. I imagine this would be in my April empties. If you want a further review, keep your eye out for that. But I believe this is the full size, possibly. I can't see the mil on this, but it looks like the full size. I could be wrong. Next up, we have the Madagascar Centella Serum. This is also a full size. It doesn't say a lot on the box, but I know a lot of people rave about this. So if you're interested in trying this and anything else I've mentioned, this could be a reason to get the box. I think this is a really good deal. I believe you're getting everything for £4.44 approximately. The box is £40. I believe you're saving over 120, maybe 126. but most of it is the full size. This is the full size. I have a mini of this from a different box. I haven't quite tried it yet, but I have heard so many people raving about this, especially if you have dark spots or struggle with acne. This has helped so many people's skin. So I'm really looking forward to trying my mini first, and hopefully I like it enough to move on to this one. And lastly, we have my best friend, which is a sheet mask. This is the Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. I've never seen this one before. I believe this is a deeply moisturizing mask. It does say on the back to leave it on for at least 3 to 4 hours, which is very different to most sheet masks in like 15 minutes. That's kind of shocking to me. I've never seen a 4-hour sheet mask before. This is the back, if you can even read it, for any details you may be looking for. It's 34 grams. I will review this hopefully soon if I have a spare 4 hours to keep this on my skin. That has absolutely shocked me. I can't believe I'm using this for 3 to 4 hours. It also says to use this overnight. Hopefully that doesn't ruin my pillowcases. We'll see. I will report back very soon. Keep an eye out on my Instagram. And maybe April empties. We'll see. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you purchased this box for yourself at Boots. Again, it's £40 if you are interested in it. I think it's a really good steal. There's a lot of products in there that are like £18 each. Consider giving this video a like if you want to see more videos like this. My unboxing videos seem to do really well on my channel. And consider subscribing if you'd like to see me again. No obligation, but I would like to see you in my next video. Thank you for being here. Bye!